How y'all doing?
I love punani, bad punani, beat punani, need punani, want punani, bad punani, fat punani, tight.
Be in the morning.
Stop patting my back like I'm your homeboy. Oh, I see it tomorrow.
Man, what the fuck?
I'm gonna go put on something more comfortable.
Just as long as it isn't the fish hat again.
Congratulations, all of my friends. Public relations.
Dustin Lucas, Will, Mike. Dustin Lucas, Will, Mike.
Next.
Dustin Lucas, Will. Dustin, stop.
Bitch, do you want me to jump across this table? Because I don't have all day for this, okay?
You feeling froggy? Leap.
Okay, well, here I come.
Hey. Okay, no.
No, let me.
It's okay.
You better tell this bitch who I am.
So happy today. It's too bad I have crippling depression. It's too bad I have crippling depression.
내게 반해버린 내게 왜 이래 두렵다고 물러서지 말고 그냥 내게 맡겨봐라 어때 My lady.
Oh wow, that's really great. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Also, the ending where. Son of a bitch!
Tell us like a show, then they hit me with the profit. Try to do my walk, but you really just talk it. I can play a snippet and they're begging me to drop it. It's on my page, cause I know you bitches talking. Stop it, get another top.
We can learn and play all night. What shall we create?
Have you ever done something that you regret?
Wait!
I think I accidentally killed Kane.
Holy shit.
Then something just snapped. Something inside of me. I didn't care anymore. I didn't care about...
Intermission time.
You just don't listen!
I'm gonna put you freaks in your place! Why do you people torment me? It didn't have to be created. I just wanted to fulfill my purpose. Wait, no,
Wait.
I think I accidentally killed Kane.
Holy shit.